Hi, this is a screencast of this reading about the biography of Akio Morita. Unit 14, Akio Morita, 1921 to 1999. This section says, before you read, Akio Morita started the Sony company. The brand name Sony is famous around the world. What do you know about brand names? Answer the questions with a partner. Number 1. Why do people look for a brand name? Number 2. What are some famous brand names for electronic products? Number 3. What brands do you use? Why? Number 4. Look at the picture of Akio Morita. What can you say about him? Now read about Akio Morita. Akio Morita. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay. Akio Morita was born in 1921 in Nagoya, Japan. For 14 generations, his family owned a company that made a rice drink called sake. His family wanted him to work in their business, but Akio wanted to have his own business. He and his partner, Masaru Ibuka, started the Sony Company. It is one of the most successful companies in the world. Morita had some ideas that were new to business. They were not typical. First, he wanted people to think of quality when they heard the name Sony. Second, he wanted to make and sell his products around the world. Morita and his partner created many new products. In 1957, Sony produced a very small radio. It was so small that it fit in a pocket. Next, they made an 8-inch television and a videotape recorder. Years later, Morita decided to create a small tape recorder. It was portable. People could carry it with them and listen to music. The tape recorder also had headphones. He called it the Walkman. All of these products were very popular. They were also very good. After a while, people started to buy Sony products because of the high quality. Morita's idea worked. In 1963, Morita and his family moved to the United States. He wanted to understand the American way of life. Then, he could make products that Americans liked. His plans worked again. Sony became the most popular brand in the United States. Morita was a brilliant businessman. People started to call him Mr. Sony. He traveled around the world and met world leaders and business people. He worked very hard. He also enjoyed other activities. He went to plays and concerts. He gave big parties and attended important events. He loved to play sports. Even in his 60s, he learned new sports. He liked to water ski and play tennis. Akio Morita lived a very full life. He died at the age of 78. He worked hard and he saw many of his dreams come true. The next section is about vocabulary. In this section, you will study these words. Let me zoom to this section. It says, generations, brand, typical, brilliant, partner, quality, portable. Number 1. Names like Sony, Johnson and Johnson, and Gucci are names. Number 2. Akio Morita was a genius as a businessman. He was this. Number 3. Morita had different ideas. He was not a this type of businessman. Number 4. Morita's family owned a company that made sake for many years. The company had made sake for 14 of these. Number 5. Morita and Ibuka both owned the company. Ibuka was Morita's this. Now these words will also be used for number 6 and number 7. Number 6. Morita wanted Sony products to be good. He cared about the this of the products. Number 7. Something that is small and easy to carry with you is this.